In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to fix Windows 11 when it doesn't boot or gets stuck on the loading screen. These are advanced methods that work in real scenarios, so make sure to follow carefully. First, force your PC into the Windows recovery environment. To do this, restart your computer, and as soon as it powers on, hold down the Shift key and click on Restart. If the system is stuck, you can power off your PC completely, then turn it back on and immediately press the power button 3 times in a row until you see automatic repair. From here, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Repair. Windows will now scan for boot-related problems and automatically fix them. This step resolves most common boot loops. If that doesn't work, restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI by pressing Delete, F2, or F12 depending on your system. Go to the Boot tab and ensure your Windows drive is set as the first boot option. If your boot device isn't at the top, your system won't load correctly. Now go back to Advanced Options, open Startup Settings, and restart. When the menu appears, press F5 to select Safe Mode with Networking. This will boot Windows with only essential drivers. If your PC boots here, you can uninstall faulty drivers, roll back recent updates, or run antivirus scans. If Safe Mode works, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the command, sfc rscano, and press Enter. This scans for corrupted system files and repairs them. Once done, type dism online cleanup image, restore health, and hit Enter. This checks Windows image files and restores missing components. These two commands together fix deep system corruption. If you're still stuck, go back to Advanced Options, open Command Prompt, and type these commands one by one. Bootrec, Fixember Bootrec, Fixboot Bootrec, Scanos Bootrec, Rebuild BCD, press Enter after each. These commands repair your boot records, which often solves black screen or endless loading problems. Sometimes, a bad Windows update causes boot issues. Go to Advanced Options, select Uninstall Updates, and first try removing the latest quality update. If the issue continues, uninstall the latest feature update. If none of the above works, use System Restore to roll your PC back to a previous working state. If you don't have restore points, choose Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files if you don't want to lose personal data. This reinstalls Windows system files fresh, which nearly always fixes the issue. That's it. By following these advanced methods, you should be able to fix Windows 11 when it's stuck on the loading screen or not booting at all. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. Your support keeps this channel going.